Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Ccleaner on your computer. So let's get started. Link in the description, just click on it and you will see this website. Okay, if you want to go to the official website, then you can just scroll down and you will see here. Okay, you can download from here also as well, and it is requirement is Windows 8.1, 7, 8 and 10. Language is English. The language are also available in German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Polish and Chinese. So let's download and install it. Just click on this green button and the official website will open, and after a few seconds it will pop up like this. Just click on start download and wait for a few seconds for this downloading. So downloading is done. So after that, just open this software, click yes and click on install. It is saying that now protect yourself with AVD, so we don't need this, we just want Ccleaner. Just click on decline, and when it's finished uncheck this and click on run Ccleaner. It is, you can see it. Okay, do more with Pro. Custom clean, you can come here and clean your history, cookies from your browsers, from your computer, whatever you want. Applications here, Firefox, Opera, Chrome, whatever you want. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.